Feature 1. The quickest way to find an instrument preset that you like and that matches the project is to open the instrument in the right zone, have this set to memo recorder, or you can load a MIDI file. And if you play a little something once, you can just go through the presets and it'll keep playing that phrase until you play a new one. And you can also do this while you're playing the project. Feature 2. If you already know that you're going to use the same effects channels for several tracks, then you can go to Settings, VST, Connect Sends automatically for each new channel. So now if I create a new track, it has the sends to every effect ready to go. Feature 3. It's actually 3 different buttons that I use a lot when I'm editing my MIDI. 2 are in the Quantize panel. Quantize lengths if I need my selected notes to be the same length. And my length quantize is linked to the regular quantize. So if I click it for these notes, they're all going to be half a bar long without changing the starting point. And quantize ends to make the ends of the notes snap to the grid, also without moving the starting point. And then in the length panel with this one on, extend to next selected, apply legato to have the ends of the notes snap to the start of the next one. And feature 4, if your audio has bad timing, like this one, and you also have MIDI or audio in the project that does have good timing, then you can open the Quantize panel, drag the one with the good timing in, have audio warp selected, and you can adjust the strength depending on how tight you want to quantize. Then select the audio with the bad timing, apply quantize, and that's it. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching and have fun making music.